How to earn from Facebook. There are several ways to earn money through Facebook. Sponsored posts. You can create sponsored posts for businesses or organizations promoting their products or services on your Facebook page. Affiliate marketing. You can earn a commission by promoting other people's products on your Facebook page and linking to them. Advertising. If you have a large following on Facebook, you may be able to earn money by allowing businesses to advertise on your page. Selling products. You can use your Facebook page to promote and sell your own products or services. Memberships. You can offer exclusive content or perks to your followers on Facebook who become members of your page. Virtual events. You can host virtual events, such as webinars or workshops, on Facebook and charge attendees a fee to participate. Donations. You can ask your followers to donate to your page through platforms like Patreon or PayPal. To start earning money through Facebook, you'll need to create a page for your business or personal brand and build an engaged following. You'll also need to consider any relevant policies and guidelines set by Facebook. Keep in mind that not all of these methods will be suitable for everyone, and it may take some trial and error to find the best approach for you. Here are some tips and tricks to earn from Facebook. Consistency is key. Regularly uploading new and engaging content can help you build and retain a loyal following. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments. Ask for feedback. And create polls or surveys to get to know your audience better. Collaborate with other creators. Partnering with other creators can help you reach a new audience and potentially increase your earnings. Utilize YouTube's features. Utilize features like YouTube's community tab and end screens to encourage viewers to engage with your content and subscribe to your channel. Use paid advertising. Investing in paid advertising, such as Facebook ads or Google AdWords, can help you reach a wider audience and potentially increase your earnings.